LaSalle University has its own cable TV channel in Philadelphia, and the students play a huge role in the production of its programs. The LaSalle TV studio is located in the Communications Center on South Campus. Here, students can gain hands-on skills in media production and are able to start first day freshman year. Students have the opportunity to produce a variety of shows, from weekly sports programs to community-based interviews. We even cover entertainment news and run our own game shows. It doesn't matter if students already have experience from their high schools or if they are brand new to the media field. We will guide them through the entire production process, from writing scripts to running studio equipment. Students can borrow field equipment and edit in our suites to create their own stories for air as well. Whether you hope to be in front of the camera as a reporter or behind the scenes directing the action, there are plenty of opportunities awaiting you in the Communications Center.